Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, we are going to solve Mathematics AASL Paper 2, question number 1. So in this video, I'll show you the step-by-step solutions. Let's quickly start. Okay, this question says that consider the function fx as x minus 1 whole square upon x, where x belongs to R and x is not equal to 0. So now we need to show that x minus 1 whole square upon x is nothing but x minus 2 plus 1 upon x. So for that, what we have to do, first we'll expand this bracket, which is nothing but, okay, do you remember this formula a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Same, we can apply this formula here. So x square minus 2 times x times 1 plus 1 square, which is x square minus 2x plus 1. And then to expand this x minus 1 whole square upon x, it will be x square minus 2x plus 1 upon x, which is x square upon x minus 2x upon x plus 1 upon x, which is basically x minus 2 plus 1 upon x. That's what we need to show. Now, for the second part or B part, we need to calculate the integration of fx. What is fx? Fx is nothing but x minus 1 square upon x. And we know that this is equals to x minus 2 plus 1 upon x. Now we need to calculate the integration of this x minus 2 plus 1 upon x and dx. We can open this as x times dx minus 2 dx plus integration of 1 upon x dx. Let me give you the formula for integration of x raised to n. It's like x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. And then for this, it's power 1. So I can write this as x raised to 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 minus 2. Integration of x dx is x. And then integration of 1 upon x is nothing but ln x. So this is ln x. There will be a integration constant for c. So the final answer is x square upon 2 minus 2x plus ln x plus c. This is the final answer.